Hello, my friends. Would you like to add a touch of natural beauty and magic into your home without spending a single penny? Well, today we're going to be talking about very simple floral arrangements that you can create just by going on a walk and finding a beautiful, gorgeous flower, stem, or leaf that you feel really drawn to, and just bringing one of them home and finding a nice little container for them. I found this gorgeous flower on my walk the other day. It's actually a few days old now, which is why the petals are starting to fall off. But I was really drawn to this flower because it's so soft and delicate, and the leaves are really velvety, and it's just so pretty to look at. And so I chose one of these little guys and a tiny little glass. And I've just had this on my bathroom counter for the last few days. And it really just adds such a simple touch of beauty and magic into the bathroom. So I got this idea from a book I got from the library the other day, Ikebana, the Zen Way of Flowers, by Yuji Ueno. And in this book, he has all of these gorgeous floral arrangements that just consist of one or two flowers or stems. Like, look how simple yet beautiful that is. I'm really into exploring this idea of minimalism and simplicity. And so this book of simple floral arrangements really spoke to me because, we can spend a lot of money on a big bouquet of flowers, and there's nothing wrong with that. But sometimes the most simple things, when they're presented in a really thoughtful way, can be even more impactful than a huge showy bouquet of flowers that costs a lot of money. I mean, look at that. Like, you could just find something beautiful like that and find the perfect container for it and just create something amazing. Now, I know that this little guy doesn't necessarily compare to these gorgeous arrangements, but hey, this is my first one, okay? Cut me some slack, man. I mean, look at this. Like, if you just saw this weird thing outside, you might not necessarily think it was beautiful, but the way that he has presented it in this container with that little flower at the bottom, I mean, it's just gorgeous. And that just goes to show, this one, it's just one flower, but he put it in this beautiful shell, and it becomes a work of art. And it's just one flower. Oh, this one's gorgeous. So delicate. So pretty. So he talks about, noticing what you're drawn to, what flowers, what colors, what shapes you're drawn to, and then finding a vessel or a container that suits the dimensions and the color and the shape of the flower. So if you want to learn more about this form of flower arrangement, you want to go into more depth and detail, I definitely recommend this book. I am just starting out, so my arrangements are very simple, but we all start somewhere. Today I found this beautiful purple flower, and I had this water bottle, and I think it looks really pretty in here. It's very simple. I know it's not as stunning as the ones in the book, but I'm getting there, and it's a start. And the other day I was at the beach with my boyfriend, and we found these really pretty pampas grasses, that we added into this dried floral arrangement that he already had to make it just a little bit more of a statement piece, give it some dimension, and that was kind of fun. So if this is appealing to you, I definitely recommend going out, enjoying a walk, and just noticing what flowers or branches or leaves that you feel drawn to. Don't take them from your neighbor's yard unless you ask them. Don't want to get in trouble here. But yeah, have fun noticing what you're drawn to and then finding a container for your flower that feels like it fits it and it suits it well. So for example, putting this, just for a really simple example, like you wouldn't put this tall skinny thing in this container because it would just like fall right out and it would look probably a little awkward, and it wouldn't stay in there. So just play around with different containers that you already have at home, maybe a glass or a water bottle or some sort of container, even a jar, and just noticing, what flowers seem to fit and suit the container that you're going to be putting it in. So I hope that you enjoyed that, and I hope that you find little ways to bring beauty and magic into your home. And again, it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be a lot that we do. Sometimes it's just the most simple things that can have a really big impact. Thanks for watching. I'm Julie with Rainbows Are Circles, and if you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to the channel if you'd like to be notified when new videos come out. And until then, happy floral arranging, and I'll see you next time.